Good morning, everyone. We back again with another video. Today is Monday, and it's around almost 11 o'clock. I wake up and I decide to make some fried rice, and also I would like to share to everyone how to make a simple, like how to make fried rice really simple, quick, and easy, and it tastes really delicious. And then I'm gonna show you what you need and all the ingredient that I put inside how to make a fried rice. Let's get it. So at first I make this thing to make it warm, and then I chop the stem. I use this one. It's really easy. You can get it from Costco. Some store they have it too. And then you chop to small pieces like this. And also I would like to add this today. And you chop the garlics, and I like to use 6 eggs, and I will add more rice to make it a lot, because it could fit more people. And then the vegetable, all I use is green onion. That's it. And let's get it. So the first thing I put is the stem. The stem, sometimes you don't need to put the oil or anything. You just so I feel like they already have some fat oil in there already. And you can do it like that. Usually I use 2 hands, but today I use 1 hand to hold the camera. Right. Okay. And after that, I cut the little small sausage in there a little bit. And you do the same thing like I did earlier. Just mix, okay? And the next thing I will put is the garlics. Okay, put the garlics. I'm sorry, I use 1 hand, so. And my other hand holding the camera. So yeah, you put the garlic like that. You pull it to the side a little bit so they won't get burnt. Okay, thank you, Mommy. Okay, that's it. Okay. The garlic is make the fried rice smell really good. Okay. So you want the garlic to cook a little bit, like not too brown. I like to my garlic make to look like this. That's it. And then today I will put eggs. Okay. So as you can see, I just put 6 eggs inside here, and this is what I do. Leo, stop. Okay, I go like this. Turn up, heat up the heat a little bit. Like that. Mix. Oh, the stem, I forgot to tell you guys, the stem, they already have flavor in there. A little bit salty there already. So yeah. Okay, mix. Okay, and after that we can mix everything together now. Yeah. Okay, mix. Oh. Mix everything together. Okay, we make until everything looks like this. And then to that you add rice. Go! Oh my God. Okay, and I will mix it for you. I add more rice, a little bit more rice. Oh, a little bit of rice. And what I do is little sugar. Okay, put sugar, maybe like this, 1 spoon. Okay. And then put the Q. This is soy sauce, a little bit like this. Okay. Leo. And after that, I put this one. Chicken flavor soup brown mix, whatever. And like that. I would say 2. Okay, then pretty much it, and then you mix it, and then after that you taste it. If it tastes good to you don't need to add anything else. That's all.
Mommy, I wash my feet.
You wash your feet?
Yeah. Daddy, I want my sock on.
Okay, I get you. Go sit.
So I just tested. It tastes really good. And then after that, the last one, all you put is green onion leaf. That's all, and you mix it. You got the fried rice easy to eat, you know.
Good
So
job.
yes, that's it. Okay, all done. This is how it look after we finish. After I finish cook. Pretty simple, easy, 5 minute done fried rice. And you know, you want to cook for your kid to eat or whatever. I guarantee you, your kid would like it. Like my son, he said, "Daddy, Vincent, what did you say about Daddy's food?"
Daddy, food smells good.
My God, see, even Vincent supporting Daddy. So yeah, it's easy to make. It's simple, it's easy. So
I
yeah.
want ice cream.
So yes, this video is short. That's it. I just want to share everyone how I make fried rice. So maybe it could help a lot of people how to do that. It's pretty easy and simple and tastes really good. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I see you guys in the next
Dad channel.
video. Okay, what did you say?
To my dad channel.
Okay. See you guys. Bye.